Welcome to our Globe TV. Here's a breaking news from science and technology research. Yes, standing in an aspen grove surrounded by slender white trunks and a canopy of leaves that rustle in the slightest breeze, it is easy to think only of the trees. Hidden in the roots, soil, and fluttering leaves, however, are complex networks of fungi. Yeah, some fungi in these networks can help aspens and closely related trees in the genus populus absorb water and nutrients from soil, while others may cause diseases in the plant's leaves. Recent research from Stanford University suggests climate change will disrupt the balance between helpful and harmful fungi in populous groves as rising temperatures and shifting precipitation patterns lead to fewer kinds of beneficial soil and root fungi in drier regions and encourage growth of potentiality pathogenic leaf fungi in wetter areas. There are a lot of questions to answer if we want to understand how these microbial communities are going to influence the future of really important ecosystems, said senior study author Kabir Prey, an associate professor of Earth System Science in the Stanford Doerr School of Sustainability and for Biology at the School of Humanities and Science. The new study catalogs the diversity of fungi associated with 5 populous species at 94 groves in 21 states, building on more than a decade of work by the PA lab at Stanford to map fungal diversity and understand its relationships to the future of forests. The study published November 16 in Nature Microbiology also presents how different groups of fungi associated with populous trees will respond to climate change, expanding on past research from the group focused on symbiotic microbes in pine forest. In extremely dry places like the deserts of the US Southwest, the authors found the trees tended to have a unique species of mycorrhizal fungus which connects to a plant's roots and helps it obtain water and nutrients. As they simulated more extreme temperature and droughts predicted under climate change in these areas, the abundance of mycorrhizal fungi increased, suggesting that the trees may get extra help from fungi to quench their thirst when water is scarce. But the array of mycorrhizal fungus species in this parched environment was far less diverse than in more moderate climate and is predicted to drop even further if temperature rise. The result suggests that as global warming brings increasingly hot and dry weather to the southwest, vulnerable populous trees may be left with fewer fungal symbionts to choose from. Yeah, fungi tend to prefer more humid environments, so it's likely that many species won't be able to handle the lack of moisture. Diversity is really important for stability and overall productivity of these systems, so it's quite concerning that we might see fungal diversity decline. So, said one co-leader, Michael Van Noland, a former postdoctoral scholar at Stanford who is now lead data scientist with the Society for the Protection of Underground Networks. Beyond the report, Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.